In this week's edition of the Health Report, Shamela Puleng brings us the final of a two-part series on autism spectrum disorder.
According to data from the Ministry of Health, 1 in every 68 children born in Jamaica is affected by autism. With approximately 40,000 births per year, that's close to 600 children. The condition is also 4 to 5 times more prevalent in boys than girls. The cost of care is quite significant.
We have to do speech therapy, there's ABA therapy, which applied behavioral therapy, there's occupational therapy, and all of these come at a cost. We initially had Alex Xavier doing all of these, speech, ABA, occupational, but we've decided to pull him out of them for a few reasons. One, the cost factor, because on average it's about probably 7,000 Jamaican dollars for 30 minutes.
But after a while, the Alains could no longer afford it. They opted to do their own research and teach Alex Xavier themselves. Mrs. Alain is also taking issue with the limited trained personnel in Jamaica. She says only a few primary schools in Jamaica will facilitate autistic children.
More stimulation center, more activities for these children, more inclusion. A lot of persons really don't know anything about this autism. When people see us on the street and they ask us, oh, what is wrong with him? Because they might see him playing with a bag, and we say, okay, he's special need. They don't even understand the term special need. And more so when you say autism, is the first that they are really hearing the term autism.
She thinks the government can do more by assisting children with special needs because what currently obtains is woefully inadequate.
What we find is that a lot of parents at this time, they are migrating. But what about those who cannot migrate and may not have all of these resources and stuff? They migrate, like some will go to Canada, some go to US because it's perceived that the opportunity for them and there are better assistance for them in those countries. Sadly, we really don't have that here in Jamaica, because even in getting very good caregivers to be with them, that within itself is a challenge as well.
The family is encouraging others in a similar situation not to give up, but find ways to make life as easy as possible for their autistic relative. With their health report, I'm Shamela Puleng wishing you good health.